At kung isa ka nga sa naubusan ng unit dito sa Westholme Residences at Anyana Bel Air, may good news ako para sa'yo dahil may bagong bukas tayong inventory na naka-introductory price pa. Hindi na ako magtataka kung bakit marami nai-inlove dito. At ito nga yung project na talaga namang mabenta dahil single attached complete finish house and lot na to na may modern minimalist layout at located in a complete township na may world-class amenities. And yes, located ito in one of our high-end project here in Cavite na napakalapit at accessible going to Metro Manila at airport. So paano, tara tripping tayo. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another premium home tour. And again, this is our Sydney model. Don't miss our inventory dahil konti lang yung inupen ng ating developer. Kaya naman for sure, mabilis lang itong mauubo. At dito nga kay Anyana Bel Air at Antel, ito ang pinakamura nating complete finish single attached home. Minimum lot area ay 100 square meters na with a floor area of 76 square meters and of course, that's fully expandable. Kaya nga ang provision for 1 to 2 carport, may 3 bedrooms ka na rin, 2 toilet and bath, at surface area na napakaluwag that you can expand pa upon turnover sa'yo ng unit. Dito, quality ang pagkakagawa ng bahay, guaranteed na flood-free at fault-line-free. And guess what? Your monthly down payment is 37,000 a month only and estimated monthly amortization through bank financing ay 43,000 a month lang naman. Siyempre, pwedeng-pwede kang mag-co-borrower to meet the required income of 144,000 and you can secure a unit for only 80,000 pesos. Total contract price starts at 6.6 million and for a complete finished house and lot inside an exclusive subdivision na malapit sa airport, Alabang at Metro Manila, sulit na sulit nga yung package na yan. Available only through bank financing, cash payment, or deferred payment. So paano, tara tripping na tayo. Link in bio or caller messages in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!